In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF file in Dropbox. We'll walk you through each step so you can easily manage your PDF files and make the changes you need without any hassle. First, head over to your Dropbox homepage. Once you're there, you need to locate the PDF file that you want to edit. It might be in your main Dropbox directory or in a specific folder. For this example, let's say your PDF file is located in a shared folder. Simply click on Shared to view the files that are available in your shared directories. Once you've successfully navigated to the shared folder, look through the files to find the specific PDF document you want to edit. When you see it listed there, move your cursor to hover over that file. You'll notice three little dots appear next to the document. Go ahead and click on these dots. This will bring up a menu of options related to that specific PDF. Within this menu, you'll see the option to Edit. Click on Edit to begin. What happens next is Dropbox will open a new tab in your web browser. This is where the magic happens. Your PDF file opens, ready for any adjustments you need to make. From here, you're free to edit your PDF as necessary. Perhaps you need to tweak some text, or maybe you're looking to add some annotations or fill in form fields. Whatever your requirement, the editing tools available should meet your needs. Take your time exploring these options. Don't rush the process. It's all about getting the document just right. When you're satisfied with your edits, ensure that any changes you make are saved appropriately. This is key if you want to preserve the updates you've just made. This editing feature of Dropbox is incredibly useful, especially for those who require a flexible and straightforward way to handle PDF documents. So, there you have it. Remember, the ability to edit PDFs in Dropbox not only saves time, but also streamlines your workflow. Whether you're collaborating on a document, sharing a proposal, or just making notes on a draft, Dropbox gives you the capability to do it all in one convenient place. Feel free to dive in and explore further. Venture into the diverse options Dropbox offers for document management, like easy sharing and syncing, ensuring you have the tools you need right at your fingertips. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!